we have good news. OpenJovianDSS comes now with a Proxmox agent. So, if you're interested in virtualization, Proxmox, and running OpenJovianDSS as a virtual machine on Proxmox VE, we've got you covered. Having problems configuring it by yourself? Don't worry, we are here to help.
You haven't run OpenJovianDSS as a VM on Proxmox VE? Don't worry, we will lend you a helping hand. First, click on Create VM. Choose a name for the virtual machine. You can also click on Start at Boot if you wish. In the OS section, select the previously uploaded ISO image and confirm the OS type as well as the version. For testing purposes, it's okay to use the default values in the System section, but remember to tick off the QEMU agent field. In disks, define the size of the virtual disk which will be used as a boot medium. You can add more disks for testing the software. The backend storage is based on OpenJovianDSS Proxmox plugin, configured using a separate machine. We are going to talk about it later on in the video. Define the CPU, memory, and network settings, and finish the wizard with Confirm. Once the VM has started, run the installer. Agree to the license agreement and select the previously selected boot medium disk. The installation will commence. Once completed, the system will reboot. Once the network access has been configured, go to GUI. Enter the product key and accept the license agreement. We will activate the system using an offline activation option. You can use either one if you wish. Now we will create a zpool on our virtual OpenJovianDSS. We will also add a VIP using a pre-configured bond. Using a bond will ensure stability, as we will connect the NFS share to our Proxmox hypervisor. Let's create a dataset and share it via NFS to provide storage for Proxmox VE. Remember that alternatively, you can also use iSCSI thanks to the plugin which is available on OpenE GitHub page. Connect it by going to Proxmox GUI, Data Center, Storage, Add, NFS. Enter your custom name, storage VIP address, and in the export field, choose the previously selected share. The Proxmox agent, which we introduced in Up31, is based on the QEMU agent and allows you to carry out a graceful shutdown without relying on ACPI, as well as to display network configuration of the VM directly in the Proxmox VM management window. Go to VM options, and you will see that QEMU guest agent has been enabled. Once the layer in which the QEMU agent is present has been loaded, you simply need to go to the Summary tab, and you will see the IPs configured in your virtual machine. QEMU agent also facilitates graceful shutdown, so that you can take advantage of the shutdown button in the overview of the VM.
Let us know your thoughts on this feature in the comments. Subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos.